In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to switch captains during a match day in FIFA Fantasy. Let's get started. First, head over to the official FIFA website at fifa.com. Provide your credentials and log into your account. Then navigate to this section, Fantasy and Gaming. Click on the option Fantasy. Once you're over here, navigate to the section My Team. Here you'll be able to view your starting lineup, bench players, captain selections, transfers, and all other team management options available for the current match day. Now let's talk about switching captains. During a match day, if your current captain has already played and you are not satisfied with the points they scored, you may have the option to move their captaincy to another player who has not yet played their match. To do this, navigate to the player that you want to assign as your new captain. Then click on the option of Captain. Now confirm your selection. Once confirmed, the newly selected player will become your captain for the remainder of the match day. This means their points will receive the captaincy bonus according to the game's rules. However, it's important to remember that you can only switch the captaincy to a player whose match has not yet started. If a player's game is already underway or has finished, they cannot be selected as a new captain for that match day. Because of this, many experienced fantasy managers wait to see how their captain performs before deciding whether to keep their captaincy or switch it to another player who is scheduled to play later. Using captain switches strategically and significantly increases your overall score and give you an edge over other fantasy managers throughout the tournament. And that's it. This is how you can switch captains during a match day in FIFA Fantasy. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.